Hello everyone. Welcome to PMN Online. In this tutorial, we will learn how to edit a Wix website after publishing. If you're feeling overwhelmed or unsure about making changes to your Wix site once it's live, you're certainly not alone. Many users wonder how to refine or update their content and design elements after going live. But for not. Today, we're going to demystify this process and make it as smooth as possible for you. To start off, the first essential step is to log in to your Wix account. This might seem obvious, but it's crucial to ensure you have the right credentials at your fingertips. So, head over to the Wix homepage where you will notice the login option prominently displayed. Enter your email and password and you'll be directed straight to your Wix dashboard. It's important to double-check that you're using the correct account information, as this is the gateway to accessing your website. Once you've landed on your dashboard, you'll find a section labeled My Sites. Within this section, you will see a list of all the websites tied to your account. This is where you will choose the site you want to edit. If you're managing multiple sites, you might need to scroll a bit to find the one you're looking for. But don't worry, every site associated with your account will be listed there, ready for you to select. After locating the correct website, look for the Edit Site button. Clicking this button will launch the Wix editor, which is the heart of your website customization. The Wix editor is a powerful tool designed to be user-friendly, even for those who aren't particularly tech-savvy. Its intuitive design ensures that you can easily make the changes you need. Now that you're inside the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with its layout. On the left-hand side, we'll notice a sidebar packed with essential tools. This sidebar is crucial because it contains everything you need to manage your site's pages and elements. Spend some time hovering over each icon in the sidebar. You'll see tooltips popping up, explaining the function of each tool. Whether you're planning to add a new page, adjust your site's navigation menu, change the background, or tweak the text, these tools are your pathway to making those changes. Editing your Wix website after it's been published might initially seem intimidating. However, with a bit of practice and exploration, you'll find yourself navigating the editor like a seasoned pro. It's worth noting that any modifications you make can be previewed before you commit to updating your live site. This feature is particularly handy as it allows you to see exactly how your changes will appear to your audience, ensuring you're completely happy with the results before they go live. Button located at the top right corner to view your site as your visitors will see it. Another helpful feature to keep in mind is the undo function. If you make a change and then decide it wasn't the best idea, don't stress. The Wix editor includes an undo feature, which allows you to easily revert to a previous step. Mastering these features can save you a lot of time and stress in the long run. And that's a wrap for today's comprehensive guide on how to edit your Wix website after publishing. With these straightforward steps, you'll be able to confidently update your site, keeping it fresh and relevant for your visitors. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to check out other videos on PMN Online that explore more advanced Wix features. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily learn how to edit Wix website after publishing. If you want more videos like how to edit Wix website after publishing, subscribe to our channel, PMN Online.